Hello my friends, welcome to Trading with KS. Today is 1st of July 2023. So next week, starting from next week, the stamp duty will be reduced in Malaysia, in the BURSA. Also, we want to monitor every day whether this daily volume actually got increased or not. Now the KLCI, KLSE, right, is between 2 billion to 3 billion, right? Good day near the 3 billion, bad day near the 2 billion, right? So if every month, every week, every day, okay, can exceed 3 billion, 4 billion, then you can see a BURSA will be coming. So we have to watch BURSA potential. If the volume goes up, I mean the BURSA 1818, not the whole BURSA, it's a BURSA 1818. Then maybe BURSA got chance to rebound. If volume stay the same, then difficult. The big news now, you have to know the big news. Why this Bitcoin yesterday, you can see starting to push and suddenly drop back. What happened? Because of this news. Okay, let's check out this news. This is the Bitcoin dip after SEC reportedly say recent ETF application from BlackRock and Fidelity is inadequate. Means the information not enough. It's not totally KO yet. Okay, information not enough. So they say, okay, there, where is it? Okay. Okay, here. But there is still hope. Okay, but the SEC would also welcome revisions and updates from the asset managers and eventually refiling of the applications, taking into account the agency feedback. So there is a chance that they can amend and refile. So it's not total KO yet. So we later will take a look at this Bitcoin chart and Ethereum, and Litecoin. Oh, Litecoin fly. Okay, Litecoin. I told you Litecoin is the now become the leading indicator. So a lot of time, before the Bitcoin, Ethereum move, Litecoin will move first. So we use it as a something like a signal. So you see the Litecoin fly already. So therefore, right, there is a chance that this ETF, still got chance to get approval. So maybe after they do some modification, to their filing, and refile, maybe still got chance. Okay, so let's check out a quick disclaimer first. Disclaimer. Be advised that I'm not a professional trader or advisor. I am sharing my trading journey for entertainment purpose only. Any opinions, news, research, analysis, price, or other information contained in this video is my own opinion and does not constitute investment advice. I will not accept liability for any loss or damage, including, without limitation to, any loss of profit, money, asset, or any valuables which may arise directly or indirectly from use of information in this video. Trading foreign exchange, indexes, stock market, futures, commodities, energy, precious metal, etc. carry a high level of risk, and please trade on your own research and assessment. Please seek advice from a professional financial advisor for your trading needs. Okay, and other than that, right, we also see this US stock starting to rebound again after a dip. So it's at a high point after a little drop, still going up. So we know that all these big fund manager actually a lot of fund managers are reportedly seeing this AI stock, they didn't jump in the ship. Jump on the bandwagon last time. So they are trying to jump in now. That's why there are still some momentum. There's still some big fund. So that they miss out, similar to SoftBank, right? SoftBank also one of them. So they miss out on this AI jump, AI boom. So they are trying to catch. So therefore there are still some the US stock still going up. It's really crazy. It's really crazy. Okay. So let's go through the local market first. Of course, we have to check out local market, KLCI. Okay. Oh yeah, before we start, don't forget Zoom class. Zoom class is on 15. Okay, next next 2 weeks later, okay, next week is on the 8th. So 1 week, the week after next week will be our Zoom class 15 and 16. Okay, 15 is English, 16 is 15 is Chinese, 16 is English. Okay, Saturday and Sunday at 10:30 to 12:30, 2 hours. Okay, you must finish. The best is you finish watching my video first. The 15 video. Why is the foundation? You need to have foundation. Okay, learn the kung fu first. Then only I give you the lightsaber. Give you the powerful arm, powerful weapon. If you don't have the kung fu, you cannot build a powerful weapon. So I'll give you the powerful weapon. Okay, which is the this auto profit strategy. Okay, auto profit strategy to chase a momentum stock, and long term value investing strategy. Okay, secret value investing strategy to pick bottom. So but you must learn the kung fu first. There's no shortcut one. There's no shortcut. Okay, if anybody tell you get shortcut, okay, but I tell you there's no shortcut. Okay, other people tell you got shortcut, maybe they have but for me, I don't believe it's a shortcut possible. I don't believe but it's not hard work. Okay, hard work already done it already. I already spent 7 years hard work learning all this. Okay, now I give it to you. You are not spending hard. You are not doing the hard work, but you must do some work. Okay, must do some exercise, must learn the kung fu, must learn the kung fu first, must practice. Okay, you have trading view and you need to have smart MCDX and auto profit. Okay, it already installed. Okay, let's go through the market. Okay, KLCI. Okay, KLCI, you saw this, right? I told you last week we got a bearish pin bar at the weekly candle. Why we see weekly? Because on the this every day we see the daily. So Saturday we want to see the longer term. Okay, weekly we got a bearish pin bar. Then we have a confirmation. So this is quite bad. So there, I said the market is trying to very hard to defend this 1373. But so they are trying. So the potential they still can hang here. Okay, maybe not let it go lower, but there's a high possibility after this pattern came out. Okay, a bearish pin bar and the confirmation bar is very, very, very likely it's going to break through. I can tell you. Very likely it's going to break through. Okay, but we have to still wait and see. Still wait and see. They are trying to defend it very hard. Okay. You can see they are trying to defend it very hard. Okay. Again, it dropped below, came back up. I saw you. I mean, the yesterday video I told you it dropped below, it came back up. Okay, today video a bit late because school holiday, right? Hari Raya Haji, all this school holiday time. Need to spend time with family. Okay. Mid cap and small cap. The small cap looks bad. Okay, looks even worse. We got a bearish engulfing. Looks like it's coming down. The downward pressure is stronger. The mid cap is just sideways. Mid cap is just we are getting a railroad. Railroad. Okay, when you see railroad, it's sideways. Okay, it's just purely sideways. Okay, so look at the sector construction. Construction continues sideways. Okay, construction is continuing sideways. Whenever it reach I told you the gap, the room for it to go up is not much. Rather than we see a rebound, right? But I say it's not much one. You see, once you reach this level, right, this top 165 at this area, you see already get pushed down already. Okay, consumer. Okay, consumer slowly coming down. You don't expect much to happen in the middle of the year for consumer sector. Energy, the oil price not going up much, so it's still dropping. Okay, finance. We saw a rebound, but coming back down. Okay, coming back down. Or even the US they passed the stress test. So US this government they want to test all their bank, right? Evaluate all the bank whether they can sustain this high interest rate, high inflation. This type of pressure. So for now it's safe. So they say they pass the stress test. Okay. So but doesn't look good. Doesn't look good. Still dropping. Healthcare. Okay, healthcare now at the bottom channel. If next week it can go back up, got chance. Okay, if next week it cannot, it still continue down, don't touch first, okay, don't touch first, okay, this one I told you, don't touch first, so this one could be just a retrace, how to call it, a correction from a downtrend, okay, this could be a correction from a downtrend, means it's a bull flag, sorry, it's a bear flag, okay, it came down, create a flag, okay, create a flag, break down, okay, means it's coming even lower, okay, so to take note, okay, industry going back down, you know lah. China not reporting increase in industry activity, manufacturing activity. We know that Europe PMI is dropping. Okay, only US also manufacturing also is okay lah. US only is okay. Europe down, China down, Taiwan recession, Singapore technical recession, right? Germany recession. So you don't expect industry to be very strong lah. Okay. Plantation sideways. Property, okay, property still got chance. Property slowly curving up, back up. So property, there is a chance that it still can continue go up. Okay, even though it broke outside the channel, but it still got chance. REIT, okay, REIT is still dropping, but maybe got small chance to go up. But I think it will drop to the bottom channel most likely. Technology, okay, technology. US got some technology rebound, so potential there is still chance for it. The technology to rebound. Okay, it really dropped below this line, but it's almost almost a 50% retracement Fibonacci. So far no red color momentum. Maybe 50% rebound. We have to wait and see how US continue up. Maybe it can just sideways here. I won't be strong but maybe sideways here. You can see their report is not good, not good the technology sector. Telco, okay, I tell you, telco already broke below this uptrend, so telco most likely is going down. Transportation now is trying to go sideways. Okay, you see this bottom is trying to hold this bottom. Okay, so it's just sideways, not strong, but it's not dropping anymore. Utilities, okay, still trying to go up, but I think the utilities is at the top already. Very difficult for it to go higher okay, maybe can go higher, but I think it will go to this high, maybe 995. Then I think it should come back down. Okay, look at the index, look at US dollar index. Okay, got some momentum, came up, trying to come up, but now we got bearish engulfing. So look like it's sideways. It's not strong, but it's not very big. So US dollar starting to have some momentum in the long term. Okay, so we look at index Australia. So Australia we got a false break up, come back down, so it's not strong. Okay, probably it's just sideways. It's not going down, but it's not going up either. So the head and shoulder no more already. Okay, for now it's just a triangle It's making a triangle. You've got a false break Okay, so now SP, yeah. Okay, it's sideways. For now we see it's sideways. FTSE, okay, FTSE broke below, even below the support, but now it came back up. So FTSE is not KO yet, but you see no red color, very hard, very unlikely to see very strong go up All the red color already all spent already. Look at Aussie also Australia also S&P. Look at Hong Kong, Hang Seng Technology is sideways but the trend is moving down slowly. The trend is moving down. For now, yeah, maybe a small rebound, okay, maybe a small rebound, but it's still making lower low so technically it's not a very strong rebound yet. Okay, for Hang Seng. Look at DAX, okay, DAX still trying to rebound but maybe can push a bit higher if DAX can push above one. Let's see, let's mark the high here, okay. Index it can close above 16329 maybe it still can go, but unlikely unlikely. Semiconductor index, so semiconductor index also is trying to breach this higher. Okay, this previous high here. Okay, so we see what happened. Let me take out all this line, make confusing. I mean, make everything simple. Okay, head and shoulder already reached target. Okay, so I said you have to wait, head and shoulder. So we have to wait. We saw it drop, but it still, at the end of the day, it still came up and reached our target. I think now it's too high for it to go much more, but we don't know, because now all the SoftBank, all those asset manager, all those fund manager, right? They miss out the first wave, this wave, the wave that I told you, this wave, right? This wave, the head and shoulder wave. Okay, so now they're trying to jump in. That's why there's some momentum. Next step also. Okay, next step double bottom, right? We see the wave, right? We told you, coming back to here, right? So already reached the target. And the flag pattern, already reached the target. Now it's still going, but now we are chasing the high, I mean, better not chase, even though it's still going up, Can it continue going up until the end of the year? Yeah, possible, but I think it's almost time for it to have at least have a dip, at least have this, So usually it has gone very far, then maybe it will do this, okay, further, because these then become an elliott wave. Then we know there will be one more wave. You see, right? That's why we need to study all these charts. Right, so you see the first wave shorter, second wave longer, then maybe one more wave, means the market still got. But we don't want to jump at the high, we want to jump at after a retracement. After it come back, retrace, okay, retrace, then maybe jump again, then only we want to jump in. S&P, okay, S&P also at the high, so probably we still also want to wait for a retracement, wait for retrace. Come back to channel, all this Nasdaq, all this you wait for a drop back to this channel, bottom. Then only want to chase Dow Jones. Trying to break out head and shoulder. We got a head and shoulder here. It's trying to break out. We have to wait and see. But not yet. It's not a clean break yet. But it's at this level. It's not a clean break, but it's at this level. Okay, trying to break. Okay, trying to break. If a clean break, right, means it will pop above, then come back down, retest. Then this is a clean break. Okay. Now it's so stuck here. Bitcoin. So people very eager that day. Bitcoin was shooting up to 31,000. So everybody very eager. Maybe a lot jump in. Then after that come back down because didn't get the approval. Now we are stuck in a sideways. Now market don't know what to do. I think now market become no more already triangle, the breakout no more. So I think what it's doing is just stuck in a sideways trend. I think now we want to look at this. It's just sideways. Okay, a break below and above, then only we talk. Now it's between sideways pattern. Now I think it's stuck in a sideways pattern. Okay, between 31.3 and 29.6. A close below 39.6 means you want to come down. A close above 31.3, you want to come back to the top channel. We have to wait and see. Okay, the pattern change. Okay, this one, Ethereum. Okay, Ethereum suddenly have a breakout. Looks very convincing. Okay, because it slowly come down, breakout. But there is a possibility it's making a diamond. So we still have to be careful a bit. It could be making a diamond, so have to be careful a bit. Because this is not a beautiful bear flag. If we get a beautiful bear flag, right, then rebound, then looks better, but I'm not too convinced yet. But it did break above this very important level. But it did went above this level. Okay. Yeah, it did went above this level. So there is a high chance it still can go. See Monday, Saturday, Sunday no volume. So don't trust the candle Saturday, Sunday, Bitcoin, Ethereum, crypto candle. Don't trust Saturday and Sunday candle. Okay, Saturday, Sunday candle is no volume. You see Litecoin. Litecoin big push up. Okay, so Litecoin already break out already the triangle. So looks like Litecoin as a leading indicator means the market got chance to continue up because nowadays Litecoin will happen first before all the other, before Bitcoin and Ethereum happen.
So that's why. But could it for a false break? It's still possible lah. We have to wait. Wait Saturday, Sunday. Don't believe the candle. Monday, Tuesday. Then you see whether it can still continue up. If it can still continue up, then probably it's strong lah. If Monday or Tuesday it coming back down, means this is a false break of this area, a false break of this stock. Okay, if come back down. Because right, it's unlikely for it to be so strong after this didn't get approved, the Bitcoin ETF. But you see, there is chance that it still can get approval because they say it's inadequate. They didn't totally reject, so there is a good chance also. It didn't say SEC or reject the filing. If SEC say reject the filing, right, then different. But if they didn't reject, so they can still refile. So after they refile, maybe still got chance. SRP still not out of the jail yet, so their case is not yet settled. Okay, so they are still sideways. Okay, look at commodity, aluminium. As I said, aluminium head and shoulder. Aluminium is going to drop lower, so you watch the aluminium stock. Be careful. Steel also. Steel is coming down again. This steel and metal index. Okay, so not good. So let's see the China steel and the industry and the Shanghai industry. Okay, steel price is still hanging at a low price. So this one industry metal, sorry, Shanghai industry metal. Okay, still coming down lah. Nothing. Industry we don't expect much lah. FCPO, palm oil futures, nothing much. Still not moving. Okay, copper. Okay, copper is slowly. It went back a bit lah, but copper, could it be making a higher low possible? Okay, if copper the next low is here and the next higher, okay, it can bridge this 3.8. Okay, 3.8. Or the next break high, it can bridge through 3.8, means break through this channel. It still got a chance, but for now we have to wait and see. Not strong. Gold, I expect gold to even come down lower lah. 1880, and there is a possibility gold can even come back to 1.8. 1.8. So there is a potential lah, because I see this. Okay, this is a bear flag. Okay. Yeah, it can come back to potential 1080 to 1880. So in between, it's possible lah. But I think the likely one it come to 1880. 1880. Potential even lower. Okay. For silver, okay, silver potential come to 21. Okay, 21.2. You see, this is the bear flag, right? Okay. So potential it come back to 21 to even 20 lah, around this area lah. Okay, you want to get cheap. Okay, you want to get cheap silver. Okay, look for 2021. Okay, see what happened 2021. Pick a bit, then wait. If it continue up if it drop down, wait for the bottom. Okay, go lower, then maybe get more lah. But this one is long term lah. Okay, it will not be like Bitcoin 1 year go 100, 200%. It will not be like that lah. Okay, it will take longer time. But you see, all these gold and silver is very low risk lah. So you don't scared. You hold a bunch of silver. If you're holding a bunch of gold, right, you can sleep at night, right? Whatever happened in the global market also, you still can sleep at night. Of course, you only scared people rob your gold lah, but you can sleep at night lah. But if you are holding a bunch of Bitcoin, you see global recession, then you cannot sleep lah. Okay. Similar lah. But now Bitcoin is getting more and more steady lah. Means it's not dropping even in crisis lah. It's not dropping much. Okay, so people are starting to invest Bitcoin for long term, and they are not scared. Any small news last time, because it's so high risk, right? Any small news, people all jump in and take their money out, run like crazy lah. Now people just you see, this one Bitcoin, this ETF didn't get approved. Also, nobody run, only drop a little bit. Only those new buyers, the new one, the how they call it, the fresh investor lah, scared they take out lah. You see all the old investor, they are still holding, they are not selling out. So US stock, Apple still fly. You see, that's why people are still now a lot of these new investors, they are jumping into the Bitcoin, this Apple bandwagon. We already saw the head and shoulder. We already came, we already collect the money. Now you want to let them chase, let those chase, up to them. If you want to chase, it's up to you. But normally you see, it goes so far, right? You need to have a breather. So you see, if we are looking at alert wave, right? This is first wave, shorter. Second wave, then come down second wave, then only you can pick again. Then we look for the third wave. Okay. So then you have chart analysis. Of course, I don't talk about some of these things, right? Okay, it did not happen yet, but we can anticipate. If it happened, then we know what to do already, right? AMD, okay, jump back. AMD, I think, okay, slowly, I think it's coming back down for now. Wait for it to come back at least to the bottom channel first. Broadcom also still going up. Okay, but Broadcom, I think, is also at the high point, so far away from the 89 or 200 moving average. So I do think you want to correct. You see how you draw a trend line, right? This uptrend, right? So far away from the trend line. So it's almost time to correct. AMD, Amazon also Amazon also breakout. I think it's coming down to the steam. I mean the energy still quite strong, but I think because now people are just starting to jump, just like Bitcoin. When it's very high, a lot of people jump in. That's why they lose money. This one also very high, people still jumping in. Alibaba's head and shoulder haven't break yet, but haven't break below the shoulder, but it's not looking good also. No red color, so don't expect to do so well. Google, I think Google will come down first. I think long term is going up, but I think it will come down first, okay, before it goes up again. Grab just nothing. Grab is going to retrench some more. Intel, I told you Intel is making a bottom Intel making a bottom here, I told you. Okay, so Intel slowly, don't panic. I think slowly long term is going up. Okay, it's going back up. So they don't have a strong AI chip So the strong AI chip is still Nvidia and AMD So the Intel probably they're catching up. If they get happy, there's something good. So probably they will catch up very soon. Meta, Facebook also is too strong. Also for me, it's too high to chase. Not coming down. Microsoft also, all these are AI but it's too high to chase already. I told you Microsoft already show you the bottom here. I told you Microsoft making a bottom, so long term is going up. I didn't anticipate go up so fast, but it go up so fast. Okay, but we know that long term is on the uptrend. But if you want to buy, wait for a down retracement. But don't buy at this high I mean, it's maybe still can go up then it's my bet but I don't chase this high You should know I never chase high Okay, Micron. Okay, Micron is coming back down. Wait for it to get maybe at least $60 to the bottom channel, then only Nvidia also, you see, big gap here. We start to cover the gap, then you'll be in trouble. Our target you see we saw Nvidia, okay, the breakout, right? I told you the breakout came to the first target, right? The breakout this head and shoulder target. Second target, the breakout of this channel, right? Bull flag, okay, second target. So both also reached already. So don't be I mean, what else do you want? Tesla, I told you, right? Tesla making a bottom, finally broke through the head and shoulder. Okay, so now it's coming back up. Tesla, I think still got chance to go a bit higher. Okay, 266. Now it really reached this target. Let me measure the target again. Okay, breakout, yeah. 312 still possible. Zoom. Okay, Zoom is trying very hard to make a bottom. See whether it can sustain or not. If it can sustain this one long term, it could have chance to go back up. So it's trying to make a bottom. You can see, right? Okay. Okay, you can see, right? Drop. Now it's trying to make a cup, right? Make a U-turn. Slowly, steadily, slowly. Visa. Okay. Okay. Visa actually starting to rebound. After the bank stress test all approved already, so this bank stock actually coming back. Visa, okay, Visa actually broke the lower previous high. So Visa actually got chance to even get a bit higher. Okay, Citibank Citibank still nothing. The bank, this one is bank. Visa is not bank, the credit card. Okay, bank is not moving yet. Goldman Sachs not moving. JP Morgan. JP Morgan broke through. Okay. Oh, okay. JP Morgan broke through. Looks like the bank still got chance to go again. Okay. Looks good for now. Especially for JP Morgan. After all they buy over all these smaller banks, so all these a lot of deposit go into their fund. Yeah, before we end, subscribe, like, share, and comment. Don't forget, if you find my content helpful, don't forget to subscribe, hit the bell, and hit the like, and share this with your friend, and leave your comment. Remember to hit the like, pump out the like for me, and also CGS-CIMB want to open an account. Don't forget to try CGS-CIMB, one of Malaysia top platform, top broker. Okay. Can play Malaysia, Hong Kong, Singapore, US stock. That's why we got talk about US on Saturday, Sunday. CGS-CIMB, you open an account, you can even play the US stock. Okay, and the link is below. Okay, the link is below. So the link is at the description. There's a hand pointing at this CGS-CIMB. You fill in the form. You click the link. There's a form pop up. You fill in the form, and my friend, this reminder from this CGS-CIMB will call you up, open an account with you online, so you need to go anywhere. You can just stay here, stay at your house, or anywhere outstation, overseas. You can open an account and you can start to invest in the global, in US, Singapore, Malaysia, Hong Kong, okay, stock. Okay, so very simple only. Okay. And another thing is legal one. Okay, it's approved by our Security Commission SC. Okay, talk to you again tomorrow. Bye bye.